How to whitelist for Serenity on the VLaunch platform. As you can see, VLaunch went already up because of the Serenity project finally listing. That is already great, but wait, hold, it's still at 7 or almost 8 cents, but wait to see where VLaunch will be by 2025. But let's get started with how to whitelist for the Serenity project. So first of all, you will need to go just to the VLaunch platform. Once you are at the VLaunch platform, connect with your MetaMask so that you are already connected with your MetaMask account, and then just scroll a little bit down, and on the right side you will see the Serenity Shield project whitelist, and now standing on top of that. So there underneath you will see standing view project. Click on view project, and now you are at the top of Serenity. Now that you are already logged into the VLaunch platform, just scroll a little bit down, and then there you will see, just click that tab on, and then here click on join a whitelist. Now, once you have clicked on join whitelist, you will see that you will need to confirm with your VLaunch, with your MetaMask wallet. This is, of course, it doesn't cost any money, so it should be exactly like what it's standing by me, showing up at you, and then click on sign, and voila, successfully signed up to the VLaunch, in the VLaunch platform for the Serenity whitelist project. So that's it. That's all what you have to do. Also, you can also, in order to make sure you earn more Serenity tokens, you can increase your stake to make sure that you actually get more chances in earning. As you know, we will earn still free VPAD allocations till next year in November. From that moment, we will not earn any allocations anymore, but it will be more. You can, of course, for the people that want to claim their tokens or restake it, you can actually just click here, claim rewards or restake your tokens. I wish you all the success, as can also remember, I expect a correction probably by January, simply by the rumors sell the news event for the Bitcoin ETF potential approval. But I believe, of course, after that correction, we are starting on the real Bitcoin bull market. And then from April, I expect Bitcoin to be back at $34,000 levels. And for all the rest of the tokens, that moment will start the real fireworks until the end of 2025. Thank you so much to watch my video, and hopefully till soon. Bye bye.